In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count the number of records in Tableau. This is a quick yet essential task for those of you looking to get an overview of the size of your dataset efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Tableau user, knowing how to quickly determine the number of records can be an invaluable skill in your data analytics toolkit. To kick things off, what you'll want to do first is launch Tableau on your desktop or laptop. You might already have it installed, but if you're starting fresh, make sure to go ahead and download it from Tableau's official website. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization and business intelligence, which makes it a popular choice for professionals and companies alike. Once you have Tableau open, the next step is crucial: connecting your data source. Depending on your needs, this could be an Excel spreadsheet, a database, or any other compatible data source that Tableau supports. This step is where you're essentially telling Tableau where to retrieve the data that you want to explore. Make sure you're clear about the location of your data and that you've got the necessary permissions to access it. When you're connected, you should see your dataset appear in Tableau, ready to be analyzed. Now, on to the next part: finding the right field in Tableau that will allow you to count the records. In the Data pane, you should see a field labeled either as Number of Records or simply Count. This field is automatically generated by Tableau for any dataset you connect, providing a simple count of the rows in your dataset. Think of this as a built-in feature that saves you from having to manually calculate it yourself, which can be quite handy if you're dealing with a particularly large dataset. Once you've located this field, the next step is to put it to good use. You'll need to drag this count field onto the text or label shelf in Tableau. This action is where the magic happens. By doing so, it visually displays the total count of your dataset right on your worksheet. This immediate visual feedback is part of what makes Tableau so intuitive and effective. It allows you to see results without having to write any complex formulas or queries. Remember, counting the number of records can be incredibly useful when building dashboards or reports, as it provides a quick snapshot of your dataset's size. Whether you're verifying data completeness or ensuring accuracy in your analyses, having this number at your fingertips can be quite empowering. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward method to count the number of records in Tableau. A small but mighty step in harnessing the full potential of your data. Be sure to experiment with different datasets and keep exploring Tableau's vast capabilities for even more insights.